Welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. So, how do you win at negotiations or sales? Okay, they're kind of interchangeable. And I always look at this as it's parts of the conversation. The open, right? That's a huge part of any conversation, and how we react, how we listen. And what I'm trying to get at here is sometimes you've got to shut up and listen more than you speak, okay? And sometimes in a negotiation, the first person to speak loses, okay? And there's a lot of tips and tricks when it comes to sales that you can just simply put into Google with some great advice. But my biggest piece of advice when it comes to negotiate, shut up and listen. Don't be the one to speak first. When the question gets asked for the sale, close the deal. Look, are we ready to sign this contract? The first one to speak loses. Hope that was helpful. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God, it's beautiful.